What's going on, everyone? Boss here again. This time we're here for that time I got reincarnated as a slime. There's a new OVA that came out, and I figure I missed the series. It's been since 2021 that we got the last season. The movie's out. I haven't seen the movie yet, actually, so I need to watch it. But I saw that this OVA is out, 3 episodes. I guess it's kind of like a movie if I put them all together. But I'm gonna watch like the 3 separate episodes, probably at different times. I don't know if I'm gonna get to all watch them, binge watch them all. But we'll check it out. From what I know, this would take place between the first season and the second season, after after Rimuru helps out the kids. I think this is canon, like actual canon stuff, like from a side, like not from the main novels, but there was like a side story that's canon to the main novel. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's the case. Anyways, I enjoyed this isekai. One of my favorite isekais, Slime, and I figured why not do a reaction to it because I want to watch it. See our friends again. It's been a while since I've seen Rimuru, so we'll see how this plays out. So without further ado, let's jump into this first episode of The Time I Got Reincarnated as Slime, Visions of Coleus. Hopefully they say it in the show so I see how it's actually pronounced. But yeah, we'll jump in. Alright. So you start with two naked girls. Oh yeah. Stranger danger. Well, maybe it's not stranger danger. That's a homegirl, is it? The Rimuru 8? I believe that's also the vampire that's a demon lord, right? We saw her briefly at the end of last season, I think. And there's a whole new intro. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, so it's after this part. I wonder if it's gonna be like relevant to the next season or if it's just a thing they want to put out in the meantime. Like there'd be like quite a few characters for us to meet in only 3 episodes. Unless it's people we're going to see later. Yuki, he has some stuff going on, right? He was up to no good, or was he up to no good? I don't remember. I really need to rewatch the second season before the next season comes out, and the movie. I got a lot to watch. Coleus? That's what you say. Coleus. Oh wow, no! Tanjiro, stop. Dang, so there's all these hoops to jump around? Alright, so we're doing some info gathering, and then we'll see how the succession goes. Hey, Rimuru's a pushover. Oh yeah, the shoulder rubs. Oh, see, coercion. Oh, he answered the question. That means you're actually leaving. Oh yeah, got a whole letter of introduction to everything. Oh, now you gotta go. Oh yeah, he knew about the mission. Dang, this guy figured it all out. Satoru? Satoru, that was his name when he was in the human world, right? The previous life? Yeah, Rimuru got the skills. Don't even worry about it. Oh yeah, I forgot about the lady. They got soundproof magic. That's interesting. Change and make the plan. He said, I'm not. I'm just the muscle. Yeah, my boy just went to sleep. He said, "Hey, you handle it." I ain't bragging, but I'm flat, bro. He said I got carried away and lost all, used up all my money. Oh, Ranga. It's been a minute since I seen Ranga too. Oh yeah, you gonna fight that barehanded? Yo, he gonna barehand poison. It looks dangerous to touch. Oh no, he's dead. Oh, he beat it, but he's dying. He gonna train him. He said I use a staff, but it broke, so I'm just using my fist for now. Oh, you just conjure up a staff for him to use? Oh yeah, you arming him up. He got him to. I forgot that's part of his mission to get him to like him, so he instantly likes him now. Ooh, I don't remember who that is. Oh, okay. Barack. Why he yelling? Why she all serious? Where are their eyes? Why he get different treatment? Call him Barack. Take her back for what? Okay, so he's with somebody that's friends with Souther. Alright. There's a princess too? Okay. Oh, could he heal? Remember heal her? Ah, okay. Alright, let's see what he can do. We trust you, Paulo. Oh yeah, Soy pulled up? You dressed him up as a girl again? Court physician. Yo, you talking to another man's wife like that? She's called Great Rimuru. Scammer. She blind? Or is she one of those closed eye characters? Oh, okay, that voice. So she's blind. Just like pain, don't hurt me. Just heal me. Oh dang, the the voice blew up her spot. She's wearing makeup. It's it's an illusion. And got into bed and everything. Ooh, drawing blood, you can do that? Oh. She's just not eating? Oh yeah, just give it the honey. It's sweet though. What? She can instantly see? Dang, that was quick. I thought it would be like a little bit. He said take it with every meal. No, I was not expecting that. That was super quick. Oh, little honey. I healed her, so he's gonna be in the good graces of everybody, right? Well, probably not. Some foolish is gonna happen. And let me find out that doctor was like poisoning her too, or something. All right, so that was the first episode of this Coleus OVA for slime, and we kind of getting introduced, getting back into the world. It's been a while since I've seen it. So far, the familiar ones are Rimuru, Ranga, of course, and Soe, and then what's his name, Yuki. I forgot the teacher dude. I forgot his whole thing because I don't even remember him saving his sister at all. So apparently, he saved his sister, and that helped out in this situation. And he saved another sister this episode of the crown prince. Well, the two princes that are fighting for succession. So we'll see how this affects that whole situation. I'm sure he'll get into the good graces, other than for curing her blindness instantly with just some honey. Yo, if only that worked. But my dad had this special honey thing that he used to make, but it was like honey and ginger and a whole bunch of stuff in it. It was not just like some sweet tasting thing that's like delicious, cure blindness. But yeah, that was interesting to see, and I guess we'll find out what happens now because there's also Paulo who is also with us on this mission, and he's trying to get in on one side. Rimmer's going to try to get on the other side, and it's all supposed to work out. Well, there's only 3 episodes in this OVA, so it should work out, right? Or something decisive should happen. And then we start with the vampire demon lord. I'm pretty sure she's the vampire demon lord. So I assume she ties in somehow. I guess we'll find out. So yeah, look out for the other 2 reactions to the other 2 episodes of the OVA. Stay tuned for those. So until then.